Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. How to add background music to videos. So there's a step-by-step guide. So make sure you will just open the Canva app, and as you can see in the top left is the option create. Just tap for it, and after, as you can see, there's an option in the left side is video. I'm going to just tap on it as well. So from here you will be just select the ratio of video landscape or mobile video, Facebook video, or you will also have to choose Instagram Reels, but I want to just tap for video landscape. So as you can see, after when it's load, so from the left side you will see the uploads option, and I want to upload file from my desktop. So we will just choose the folder where are the video I want to upload. So just tap for this and we will open to it. So right over here I want to just add a background music, so just tap for add audio, and after here you will see, so you will just have to choose from here, and you will just also select the soft background music, just tap for it, and it will be just shows the all once you will be selected, and just add like that. So in this way you will just have to add background music to video. That's it. Thank you.